All right, so first I always do the aspect ratio, resizing it for Instagram, which is 4:5. So always do that first, straightening it a little bit. And then I'm jumping into the lighting panel. So I'm taking the contrast down, the highlights way down, and then shadows, whites up. Blacks I keep really low. For chocolate especially, because I want those darker tones. The vibrance I always pull up because I do want a bit more color. And then the color palette is really key, especially for chocolate. So the reds I always take more towards the purple side for chocolate. Oranges and yellows as well, more towards that orange. For this one, the blues were key because I had the thistles on top, so I wanted to keep the blues, but still pull down the teal. I wanted more of a dusty blue, so I still pulled the luminescence of the blues really high so that the whites would be really bright. But I kept some of the blue in there so that the flowers would pop. And then of course I add more texture, clarity, the dehaze tool as well, and then a little bit of sharpening. And then come up and just do some touch-ups. So it's always nice to do a second round after you go through and do everything. Just go back and do some touch-ups, just so you make sure it's exactly what you want. I'm really messing with those oranges, yellows, and reds to make sure that I still get the cool tones that I want, but still have that rich chocolatey feel, especially for a dark chocolate cake. And then I use the healing brush because there were a couple spots on the white background that I just wanted to touch up. So pretty easy, nothing super fancy here, pretty rudimentary. So just taking a couple of spots and grabbing those so that those little bits of whatever that was on the backdrop get covered up. And then I'm gonna zoom back out after I do that last fix, check to make sure it looks nice and smooth, and then actually just zoom in and check the coloring. So I really went for the purpley, chocolatey tones for the dark chocolate. You could have gone totally the other direction as well, but it's nice to kind of pull those sliders up and down and just see how it looks.